Welcome, welcome, welcome. You're in tune with Nabu the ruler, where we rule with what? Greatness. So I am coming to you to do this video just to talk about some things that I talked about in one of my former videos. I just wanted to make sure I clear up some of the things that I said. So first of all, when I told you to in the collection ages see video, I told you to verify the debt. I want you to, what I mean by that is I send a letter to them stating that you want them to validate and verify the debt. So when you send a letter to them and state that you want to validate the debt, verify, validate, they're going to especially when you receive that first letter in the 30 days, they should say you have 30 days to respond to them. If you respond within that 30 days, then you are actually more than likely they're going to drop the debt that they owe they're saying that they owe you. Okay, so I want you to have them validate the debt. The other thing I wanted to clarify is about the HIPAA. So HIPAA is like violations of HIPAA is like giving your personal information out, giving your medical records and things of that nature. So when I told you to have them send you a letter verifying, validating that you had a actual account with them, then they're also supposed to send you a letter showing you information with your signature on it. Okay, what I want to also express to you is that this is one of the golden nuggets, okay, rulers? This is a golden nugget. When you go into the doctor's office and they say, hey, we need you to sign these papers, read over the papers that they're having you sign, because they're giving, some of that is telling them, hey, we're going to give permission to send your information to a collection agency if you don't pay. So if you read over that, those release forms, you should just cross that out and then put your initials on there, telling them that you don't give them permission to send your anything to a collections agency. So they do that sometimes. So I wanted to let you know that. The other thing I wanted to let you know is in these videos, if I'm not clear, you can reach out to me at on Instagram at Nabu the Ruler, or you can email me at nabutheruler@gmail.com. And when I said I have ebooks and I'll do the first round of those letters, I will do the first round of those letters if you send me a donation of $50, okay? So I wanted to clarify that. I don't represent any legal advice or anything like that. I'm just letting you know, just sharing some of my experiences with you, and I want you to be successful. I want you to rule with greatness. I know that sometimes life gets hard, and sometimes people do not want to disseminate information without getting monies for it. But I have given out numerous information. I've helped numerous people with their nonprofits and haven't asked for or received a dime. So, and I've helped people with credits and getting their credit repaired, and haven't received a dime. So now it's just my time to actually be compensated for the information that I give. But on these YouTube videos, I'm just giving out this information so you guys can be successful and rule with greatness. And I know that it's extremely possible and plausible. So I also want you to make sure you pay attention to the documents you sign at the doctor's office, and also to have them verify your debt. And you could just send them a simple letter telling them that you don't agree with what they say that you owe, and you want them to verify the debt. So I hope this clears things up for you. I just want you to be a ruler. You've been in tune with Nabu the Ruler, where we rule with what? Greatness. Have a great day.